Good day everyone, I'm Jobber. Today I will report hemisphere and sphere. So the question is a booper in Ilocos is making photo cakes in the shape of hemisphere with a radius of 5 cm. He wants to know the total surface area of the photo cake to decide how much floor base mixture he needs to cover the entire cake, including the flat circular base. What is the total surface area of single puto? The traditional puto ko yung ibabaw po nun is curved surface po, tas yung ilalim po is flat surface. Bali po, kaya po siya, may magtatanong po ba bakit ganito yung formula? Bakit? So, sasagutin ko po bakit po siya. Bali po yung yung hemisphere po is kalahati po siya ng, example po, bola. Kalahati po siya nun. Bali po yung 4 pi r squared po is i-divide mo po siya sa 1/2 or 2. Bali magiging ano po siya, 2 pi r squared. Bali po yung flat surface po, yung ano niya po doon is pi r squared po. Bali may visible 1 po. Ipapag-plus lang po natin yung 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared equals of 3 r squared. Bali ayan na po yung formula ng hemisphere. Bali po ang unang ginawa ko sa solution ko is 3 pi r squared, 5 cm squared. I-divide mo po yung 5 sa sarili niya. 5 times 5 equals of 25. Bali po magiging, ang resulta po nun is yung 25. Bali po yung 3 pi, ita-times po siya sa 25. Bali po 75. 75 5 cm squared. Ayun po yung answer sa number 9. Let's proceed to the number 10. A street food vendor in Manila uses spherical bowls for serving arroz caldo. The bowls are shaped like a perfect sphere with a radius of 7 cm. He wants to paint the exterior of the bowl with a food safe paint. What is the total surface area needed to paint one bowl? So, ang formula po sa sphere, 4 pi r squared po. So, ang una pong ginawa is 4 pi. Pinag-times ko po yung 7 sa sarili niya, bali 49 po. Tapos yung 4 po dito is ita-times po siya sa 49, bali 196 pi cm squared po. Yung lamang po.